Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Hamdan yukafi ni'mahu yukafi mazida. Ya Rabbana lakal hamdu kama yanbaghi lijalali azim sultani. Allahumma aftah alaina hikmataka wa anshu alaina min hazain rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun alal mursalin walhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Shall we make a start now?
Yes, let's proceed our meeting session.
I have arranged this meeting to discuss about the problem of our hotel management. I will invite our General Manager, Mr. ZAKIRIN, to conduct our meeting.
First of all, welcome to the meeting. Thank you for those who come to the meeting, as it is crucial for us to identify the problem and also how we manage it to come up a solution to overcome it. Now, I call the Secretary of Symphony ALLYN, Ms. Sash, to read the last minute of the meeting.
Previously, during the last minute of meeting, we discussed about the way to attract our previous and newly customers by inviting them to our 4th anniversary on 31st August 2017. Now, moving on to the matter forwarded by the General Manager, Mr. ZAKIRIN. Matter arising will be conducted by the head of the manager from different departments.
Today, we are about to discuss the reason decreasing number of our customers staying within our Symphony ALLYN hotel. Secretary, could you please read the apologize for absence according to our record attendance today?
According to our record attendance, there is no one who are absent today.
Good. Would anyone like to highlight on raise any matter concerning our meeting? Okay. Now I call Miss ALYSSA, our financial department manager, to present the financial statement of Symphony ALLYN hotel expenditure.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning everyone, especially to our General Manager, which is ZAKIRIN ABIDI bin ISMAIL. Okay, today we have a meeting on the problem that we are facing, which is the declining number of customers staying in our hotel. Okay, me as a financial director wants to present our financial statement from 2016 and 2017. Okay, this is for the asset and this is for the current asset, which is the inventories, trade and other receivable, prepayments and deposit. We have received that the current asset on 2016 is 1.3 million plus, but in 2017 there is a declining number of current asset, which is only 1.2 million plus. Therefore, there's a declining number, as you can see here. Can you please? Okay, our General Manager, as you can see here, Mr. ZAKIRIN, our total equity we have received on 2017 only slightly declining in number. And then our liabilities, okay, we have received a good number of declining in liabilities, which is on 2017 we only have 41,000 plus of liabilities compared in 2016, which is 44 plus of liability of 2016. And then on current liabilities, okay, we also can see here, as you can see, and the net asset per ordinary share, which attributes to shareholder of our company, they also decreasing on 2017, which is only 2.17. We compare that in percentage number. Okay, that's all.
Besides that, is there anything we should know about financial department problem, Ms. Alisa?
Okay, this is my second slide of financial statement. This is the revenue analysis of Symphony ALLYN. As you can see here, there is a bar chart which shows us the occupancy rate for the blue one and the average daily rate for the orange. And this is the number of percentage for the bar chart. And this is occupancy rate, which is affected by the seasonal growth, which causes the tourists to come to our hotel. This is the number of percentage that shows us the bar chart in which level. Okay, as you can see, in 2016, there is 70%, almost 70% of occupancy rate. And in 2017, a declining number for only 55% of occupancy rate. And average daily rate in 2016 is only 55%. There is a declining in 2017, which is only 30%, as you all can see.
Sorry for interrupt.
Okay.
Can I ask you one question? Why the number of occupancy rate is in 2016 more higher than in 2017?
Okay, human resource manager had asked me on why in 2017 we had a decreasing number of percentage of customer that staying in our hotel. This is because there is two variables here, which is the occupancy rate and the average daily rate. Okay, occupancy rate varies by day of the week, by month, and by season. When occupancy is high, this is due to the influx of tourists to the area. Our hotel, which is located on a strategic location, which is in between our trade center building and working office building. Therefore, we are the place where tourists come here and staying in our hotel for business occasion. And also, the other factor is Johor state government had launched on several events, which is, as you can see, last year they are having an event of Country Garden at Danga Bay, as all of you know, and also Eco World on Masai, okay, as you know, and also Pulau Dayang. Okay, Pulau Dayang at Mercy. They are doing a promotion to promote their island for traveler. Therefore, I think that is the reason why tourists, there is a lot of increasing number of tourists in 2016. But in 2017, the state, Johor state government do not have any event launched in this year. Therefore, there is a declining number of occupancy rate. But and also it affects the average daily rate. Okay, that is the reason.
Miss Alyssa, what is your solution to the problem declining of occupancy rate in 2017?
Okay, the solution that I have made with my staff in my department is where, as you know, our hotel is organized into a series of departments. Therefore, I need all managers of each department need to create their own expenditure and submit those reports to me on the end of the month for every month. This is because me and my staff can create and analyze unexpected expenses that every department needed. Okay, this is to create an expenses specialization based on the different expenses used for different department. I am entirely spoken that the hotel's financial staff is responsible for consolidating the department expenditure into an overall hotel expenses. Therefore, no manipulating figure throughout the report that every department submitted to me or my staff. Because we need the exact amount so that I can plan and organize our real budget for the next month ahead. That is my solution. General Manager, is there anything else?
That's all, Miss Alyssa.
Sorry for interrupt. Miss Alyssa, can we know when the report need to submit?
Based on Hanim's question from Logistic Manager Department, the report need to be submit on the end of every month. On the end of month for every month. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Alyssa. You may sit now.
Thank you.
Alright, let us proceed with the sales department. Miss NURUL ALLYN to talk about sales in our Symphony Alam Hotel. Please.
Thank you, Mr. DZAKIRIN. I have done the analysis on ALYSSA presentation on our financial statement that state in the end of October 2016, we can see a rapid incline in the number of customers, but it showed a declining number of customers in November 2017. I'm afraid that we can sustain the total profit that we should be achieved on the month ahead. Therefore, in my opinion, to generate a solid revenue, we have to attract our customer by offering affordable package such as accommodation, service, and promotion that we can provide or offer. As we can see, we have our 3 large swimming pool for the customer relation and amusement for the kids, but only 1 swimming pool that operate to those that pay for luxury rooms so they get a benefit to assist in the swimming pool. I think it's not fair to another customer that have paid but don't get any benefit. So why not we open another 2 swimming pool to all our customer, and only customer that stay in our hotel can access the swimming pool area. And also, we need to place some lifeguard to keep an eye on our customer safety, because mostly another hotel didn't have any lifeguard. So why not we try a new approach by putting the lifeguard.
Is there anything that you want to tell us, Miss ALLYN?
Next, remember our spa that we provide next to the sauna room section?
Yes.
I think we need to improve facility and service that we provide. The tools and hospitality also need to be upgraded so that our customer can feel satisfied and convinced by our service. Also, we need to provide spa package that have variable choice to choose from. Example like the customer can choose either they want to massage at full body or face. Last but not least, we need to meet our client and shareholder once in a while by the end of the month once, so that we can discuss or arrange business deal together, talk about hotel issue and profit and loss, so we can improve more better in the future. I hope this kind of view and opinion we can increase our sale, and at the same time it increase our hotel rate as well. That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss NURUL ALLYN. But please refer to Financial Manager, Miss Alyssa, and give a report to other manager to analyze this matter. Do you all agree with Sales Manager idea?
Yes.
Okay, we proceed to Front Office Manager, Miss AZMEERA. Well, how about your progress department?
Thank you to Mr. ZAKIRIN. So, my problem is I heard that many customers complain about our service room are bad.
Miss AZMEERA, what is your solution?
The solutions that I should solve this problem is we need to put our workers who are expert in giving the best services to our customer. Besides that, our workers need to put on a smile to everyone so that we can attract the customer. This is because giving a pleasant greeting to the customer who come or need a help is our top priority. Other than that, our workers' capability to do many tasks such as pick up the telephone customer service and talk nicely with customer, help customer in need, and handle all the front desk services. For your information, we need to educate the worker who are fast and have the credibility to handle the job so that the front desk customer service are efficiently being handled so that no more unsatisfied feedback we receive from the customer. I, as front office manager, should give our workers principle like fast action, fast result to make them work efficiently and they can go work on time. If they can be late, we should give a stern warning. So, with these solutions, we can ensure our customers receive the best service from us. That's all from my department. Thank you.
You're welcome, Front Office Manager, Miss AZMEERA. Okay, moving on to Human Resource Department Manager, Miss Halimah. How about the overall performance of our staff and the way they treat our customer?
Thank you to Mr. Zakirin. Today we proceed to the problem. Problem we are facing in our company right is that we change to many employers, which is in the simple word we are repeatedly change our worker that deal with our customer. We tempting to assume long-term customer love our service and our hospitality in our hotel. Customer not buy from the companies, but they buy from people. Your people is your employer. Since relationship are the lifeblood of the small business, do not rotate or sell people. Customer service representative or our key contact unless we or our worker have to.
Is there another problem in your department, Miss Halimah?
Yes. Second problem we face our employer are not well trained.
Miss Halimah, what is your solution for that problem?
When an organization does not spend the time to fully train their people, the consequences is poor service. Therefore, the solution of it is to dedicate resources, which mean our money and time for training and reinforcement. Employers should be fully informed about company goals, the product and the service. Emphasis and the training should be focused upon the importance of listening and responding to the customer service. Worker can only do the job if they are given the right tool and objective. It costs of money to train people. It will move if you decide not to train them. Lastly, thing that I observe in our company is that we reward our employer behavior. This happen most often in sales, like when commission rates are much higher for new and existing customer. If that's the case and I am a selling girl, why should I work to find new one? They approach only worker if our system ensure someone else take over the responsibility with existing customer. Therefore, we need to think about the incentive we provide and goal you as the general manager set for your employers, and make sure they encourage the outcome you are really want. That's all for my department. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Halimah. Our Human Resources Manager.
Welcome.
Let us proceed to our beloved manager, Food and Beverage Manager, Mr. Zulkamal.
Okay, thank you, General Manager, for the statement. Today I will be presenting the meeting is the worrisome decreasing number in the customer in our hotel. This is partly due to our neglect as the manager, and we apologize. Partly of the issue arise is from within my department. Firstly is we received some complaint from the customer saying that they have horrible dining experience from digesting our food. The horrible dining experience is the food poisoning they had, and some of them had been admitted to the hospital. Next is the overpricing of the food we serve. From the picture, you can observe that our food seems to be rather expensive, and we should revise our pricing strategy that it can meet the customer standard, and while not we face loss. And next is the lack variety of dishes that we serve. Some of the customer we receive are from foreign country, for example Singapore and many more, Indonesia. Some of the foreigner complain to us saying that they are very dissatisfied with the food we serve. This is because they aren't used to the smell and the taste of our local cuisine. For example, nasi lemak and asam pedas. Because our local cuisine is very strong, because they use local ingredients such as durian and many more. My solution is that we broaden our cuisine internationally, but to focus on some Asian country. Luckily for us, I have a friend who is well known in this type of cuisine, and lucky for us, he is looking for a job vacancy, so I can ask him to work for us in the near future. Finally, we should the staff attitude toward our customer. We also receive complaints saying that the staff service is really horrible towards our customer, saying that they aren't really explaining the ingredients in our foods that we serve, so they aren't really sure of what are they eating. My solution is we should retrain our staff through our yearly staff training session, and we should let go of some of them who didn't want to follow to our regulation and standard. That is all. Thank you.
Mr. Zulkamal, in your opinion, should we change our supplier, and how we will find supplier within our range of budget?
Okay, in my opinion, I think we should change our suppliers to Frozen Limited. This is because of our previous suppliers supply ingredients that are seen not very fresh, and some of them seem rotten. Frozen Limited from their statistic seems a very positive review from international and local company that supply their ingredient to them. Frozen Limited also clean their ingredients to verified procedures. And lucky to us, I have some connection with them, so we can make a deal to lower the price to match within our range of budget.
Okay, is this the overall issue from your department?
Yes, that is all.
Thank you, Mr. ZULKAMAL from Food and Beverage Manager, for your solution to improve the quality of our food in Symphony ALLYN Hotel. You can sit now. Alright, proceed to next department, Logistic Department. Miss Hanim, Logistic Manager. Can we hear your suggestion from your department?
Alright, based on what we have observed, our hotel didn't provide a proper transportation facility to our customer. So, based on this matter, I want to suggest that our hotel must be repaired to provide a 24 hours facility of transportation from all the major pickup points such as terminal or airport.
Sorry for interrupting.
Yes.
Ms. Hanim, please send your report about the transportation cost to our financial director so that our general manager, Mr. Zakirin, can analyze about the report for transportation cost.
Yep, later I will pass the report to Miss ALYSSA.
Miss Hanim, what is your next idea from your department?
Thank you, Mr. Zakirin. Next, my idea is we all know that our customer sometimes they are come from a business travelers to tourists. So often they need to ship or receive their packages. So that by implementing a system that features tracking capabilities, our hotel can handle it of the packages of our customer on their behalf.
That's great. Thank you, Miss Hanim from Logistic Department. Okay, Mr. Alfee, what can you conclude from this discussion?
Okay, the solution that the managers came up and show efforts and dedication in helping the business to survive, the solution provided is also helpful and beneficial. Okay, that's all for me.
Thank you, Mr. Alfee, for your conclusion. Is there anything that all of you want to say before we finish our meeting?
I have a question to ask about Kamal's department. Kamal, what is the reason why our customer getting food poisoning after eat our food?
Well, to answer your question, financial manager, this is due to the supply we receive. As I noticed from the previous day, the supply we received seem to have come rotten, and some of them are not quite fresh. So in my opinion, I think this is the cause of the food poisoning complaint we received.
But why are your chef continue using the rotten raw material, which is not suitable for you to cook the raw materials for your customer?
The reason that the customer having the stomach ache is due to the neglect of the chef, because they did notified me about the rotten ingredient, and this is also not my part of fault, because the people who hiring the chef are from the human resource manager.
Customer, so that they are thinking that.
Yes.
Sorry, Mr. Zakirin, I have to go because I have an emergency case.
Yes, you may go now.
Thank you.
Okay, Miss Hanim, you may go now. But if anything case, I will inform you later.
Alright.
Let's proceed, Miss ALYSSA.
I think our company should hire a new chef which is qualified enough to handle customers' food and beverages, because the chef that we have right now is not really compatible and not really qualified to handle our customers' food, because we had faced a problem regarding the food poisoning that has caused the discomfort and disconvenience for the customer, and we can be sued, our company can be sued for that reason. I think you should be responsible toward the cases that we are handling right now. To me, it's such a huge case because it causes a huge impact on our company reputation, and we need to sustain the reputation that we achieved on 2016, and the issues that causes the reputation of our company, and also the total revenue decreases because of the issue regarding the food poisoning.
First of all, I think we should hire a new chef. This is because our cuisine isn't enough to satisfy the customer we have. This is because looking at the other hotel business, they have a huge variety of food. In this reason, we need to hire a new chef. Because he has a lot of experience. In his experience, we also can revise our price strategies in our food. He also has a qualification from a renowned cafe and hotel. He also have a certification from a well-renowned university that he graduated from. For example, Lee Kok Wing University. So in my opinion, I think this is a valuable chance for us to hire him into our business. Human Resource Manager, what is your opinion on our view of hiring a new chef for our business?
Thank you to Mr. Kamal. I agree with two of you in hiring a new chef. I will set a new interview with recommended international and local chef.
Yes, I agree with your opinion in hiring the new chef. This is because looking at the other hotel businesses, they have a huge variety of food. And looking at our business, we are lacking in the variety of food. Because of hiring a new chef, we can variety our food cuisine localized and internationally. Next is about the food poisoning. I am really sorry. My department is really sorry about this inconvenience and what it bring to the hotel business. And I will promise that this issue will never happen again.
But I do think our food pricing is low. It's not suit with our 5-star hotel. So why not we increase our food pricing, since that we will hire a new chef and there will be a lot of variety foods. What do you think about it? Financial statement, Miss ALYSSA?
I do think that food and beverage manager that we should increase our food pricing to the standard of 5-star hotel. We are actually a 5-star hotel, so I think we should show the image, and also we should increase the pricing of our food to the standard of the same level with 5-star hotel too.
Miss ALYSSA, why do you agree with sales manager by increasing our food price?
I do agree with sales manager. It is because the price of our food is really low, and it doesn't suit our 5-star hotel. Therefore, I think we should increase the price with triple price. For example, the price of our nasi lemak is only 8 ringgit. I think we should mark up the price into 21 ringgit so that it suits our image of 5-star hotel, and also follow up by other foods and beverages. For example, I want to set
a new package on kids. For example, we serve on set for kids, set for a couple, set for a family package. We do set on targeted customers. But how about the family sets? The price for family sets is around 150 something plus, but do refer to our food and beverage manager for the setting price of our food.
Mr. Alfee, do you have anything to say?
Okay, I have a question for the front office manager, Ms. AZMEERA. How should we improve the coordination of our housekeeping service? Thank you.
So, Mr. Alfee, I will improve the housekeeping with that we need to put our workers who are expert in giving the best services to our customer. After that, we should put our workers' capability to do many tasks such as pick up the telephone on time. He or she should be a punctual person in order to give the best housekeeping service to our customers.
Good job to all of head department for the explanation about the problem and a solution for the problem arising. I hope all of you can overcome this problem in every department and improve our hotel, Symphony ALLYN, and give a better service for our customer in the future. Like our trademark, live like a king.
Okay, our next meeting will be held on the next month at the meeting room on 9 AM. You will inform about the next meeting. If there's nothing change, I will inform you as soon as possible.
That's all for today. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.